Hey lovely, so I'm back again today and we have a DIY of this super cute wooden door hanger. This would be great for spring, this would be great for summer, I mean year round. You could totally have this on your door or even up in your house. It doesn't have to be just on the door. If you guys want to display whatever you're working on in your house, go for it. I love the way that this turned out and I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes with me to show you how I did. So stick around. What you will need is your wood. So I found this at Hobby Lobby. Here is the tag, and it's rough cut. It's legit a slice of wood, all right? So here we go. You will need a tape measure. Any kind will do, it's good. You'll need some painter's tape. You will need a glue gun with glue sticks, you know how that goes. And some greenery or whatever you're gonna wanna make the top out of. You don't have to use this. I found this at Hobby Lobby. It was like $5.99. I got it for half off. You know, them Hobby Lobby sales, my peeps. So, but look how cute that's gonna be. Oh yes. Some ribbon, preferably wired, from Hobby Lobby. It's from the Ribbon Boutique. It was $3.99. Also, I got this half off. With that half off Hobby Lobby sale, you gotta love it. So you will need paint. This is just from Apple Barrel. I got this at Walmart. It's just a matte acrylic quick drying paint. You will also need a pair of scissors. So make sure they're pretty sharp. If you have fabric scissors, that would be even better because you're gonna need to cut your ribbon. Ooh, this wood though, y'all. It's quite dirty. Okay, so first step, we are going to take our painter's tape. So you're going to want to take small sections of your wood and tape around because we do not want to get any paint around this rough edge here. Keep it as even all the way around as possible. We're done. All right, so your next step after you get your lovely piece of wood all the way taped around the edge here. This is a little paint palette that I got in a set at Walmart. So, and you will need a small glass of water. You will also need a paper towel like I have here. Shake up your paint real good. Then squirt you a little bit in your little container there. Now make sure your brush has been wetted, just damp. I just want a little bit of a damp brush here. Next step we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the tape to see our finished edge. So here we go. Next is where you would distress it. So we're going to distress it here. Alright, so I found this sandpaper. It's an 80 grit by Fandeli. So go in with your Fandeli 80 grit. So next we are going to do our words using our Cricut Explore Air 2. So what you're going to want to do is take your tape measure and you're going to measure your and here at the bottom. So as you will see, it'll be curved. So now for our big giant letter, I'm thinking 5.5. So 5.5 inches is about the size that we want to go. I love how that opens. It's so much fun. I will place the letters on here. So where I want them to be. Now to make this process easier, if you get some transfer tape, or if you have transfer tape, I would 100% recommend using transfer tape whenever you're doing vinyl onto anything. I have run out. Use transfer tape if you haven't. All right, it's looking pretty good. Take your squeegee. You gotta make sure you get all those little bubbles out. All the little bubbles out. Look how cute. Look how cute. All right, everyone. So the next step is going to be our shellac. So we're going to coat this to make sure that it will weather outside. So, because you know those elements, man, you gotta protect all your stuff from that. So what you're gonna need is this is what I use. It's the Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Finish. I'm gonna squirt you a little bit in there. It does come out very quickly. You're not gonna need too much. And pick you out a separate brush from what you painted with. You will still need to wet it. So make sure your surface is very clean, because once you put this stuff on, that's it. It is sealed, it's done. You're not putting anything else on this. So make sure everything's like you want it, where you want everything. So here we go. See that shine in there? You can see kind of from the lights. So you're gonna let that dry. Alrighty, you guys, so the next thing you're gonna wanna do is drill your holes. Woohoo! So you're gonna wanna roll this up as small as you can get it, to where it sticks out the other side and you're able to pull it through. All right, got a nice little thing happening here. Just pull that on through, because we're gonna make some knots. We're gonna knot. Make sure it's nice and tight. You want to make sure that it's gonna stay. You guys, it's gonna be so cute. Next, we're gonna move on to our bow. Make sure that you don't have any rough edges here. We're gonna go ahead and glue this down. Just need just a little bit, and you can do just a couple little dots. So we're just gonna kind of put that on in here, and we're gonna fold it to itself. All right, so you're gonna make this weird kind of a shape here. So what you want to do is, there you go. Okay, that's gonna be the center of our bow here. All right, so you want to pinch to where it's gonna look like that, and make sure that you're even in the middle. Just kind of play with it till you get it how you like it. Okay, is you want to put your glue here. Then you're gonna want to wrap it up. Make sure you're centered. So you just put a dot here in the center. Put a dot here in the center. And you don't want it like super tight. You want it to kind of fluff back up. We're gonna do a little bit fluffier today. So here we go. Create this little loopy here. So what you want to do is you just want to kind of do a line kind of close here, lightly. You're going to want to take your bow that we just made. How cute. You're going to glue the greenery onto the back of your bow. So that's our next step here. Okay, so just kind of play with it and see how you liking it. Then you're going to want to kind of see where you laid it and put a strip of glue here. So I liked where I had this placement, so hold it down. Alright, so after you do that, your bow will be a little bit smushed, so just fluff your little bow back up. So this is what it's going to look like, okay? So we're going to glue that right there. And there you have it, folks. Look how adorable it turned out. I just love it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down here in the corner. Leave me a like. Drop me a comment of your favorite part of the video. Tell me if you learned something new, if you plan on doing it. I would love to hear from you guys. It turned out so cute. I love it. It's gonna look so cute on the door. I pray that God blesses y'all today. Bye. So today we're gonna be making this super, super cute door hanger, which is falling. All the lights I have on me right now are quite blinding. Talk today. I cannot talk. It has been a day, you guys. Doing some greenery because it's just relaxing, and I like to look at it. I like to touch it. Oh well. You guys already know I'm kind of weird, so